The Ferrari Roma is a luxury grand tourer that marks a return to understated elegance and minimalist design, inspired by the spirit of 1950s and 1960s Rome. It represents Ferrari's effort to create a vehicle that is as beautiful as it is usable, blending high performance with daily usability and refined style. It's a car designed to capture the essence of La Nuova Dolce Vita, a celebration of easygoing luxury, style, and driving pleasure. At the heart of the Ferrari Roma lies a 3.9-liter, 3,855 cubic centimeters, twin-turbocharged V8 engine, part of Ferrari's award-winning F154 family. It is mounted in a front-mid configuration for optimal weight distribution. The engine produces 620 PS, 456 kilowatts or about 611 horsepower, at 7,500 RPM and 760 Nm, 561 lb-ft, of torque between 3,000 and 5,750 RPM. This engine is paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, which is a newer, lighter, and more compact version of the gearbox found in the SF90 Stradale. It contributes to a 6 kg weight reduction compared to the previous 7-speed unit and delivers quicker, smoother shifts, improving both performance and comfort. Performance is staggering for a GT, 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, takes just 3.4 seconds, 0 to 200 km per hour, 0 to 124 miles per hour, in 9.3 seconds, and the top speed exceeds 320 km per hour, 199 miles per hour. The Roma's power is delivered with smoothness and linearity, thanks in part to the variable boost management system, which tailors torque delivery to each gear. This ensures not just brute acceleration but also refined drivability in urban or touring conditions. Structurally, the Roma uses Ferrari's all-aluminum chassis and body architecture. More than 70% of its components are new compared to previous Ferrari platforms. The dry weight is 1,472 kilograms, 3,245 pounds, while the weight distribution is perfectly balanced at 50:50. It employs an independent suspension setup with magnetorheological dampers, SCME-FRS, providing adaptable ride quality that adjusts in milliseconds based on road conditions and driving mode. The Roma also features active aerodynamics, including an adaptive rear spoiler integrated into the decklid that remains hidden at lower speeds and deploys progressively at higher speeds to generate downforce without disturbing the car's clean lines. The dynamics are further enhanced by Ferrari's cutting-edge control systems, including Side Slip Control 6.0, SSC 6.0, which helps manage vehicle stability and grip without limiting driver engagement. Ferrari Dynamic Enhancer, FDE, adjusts brake pressure at individual wheels to help rotate the car during high-speed cornering. The driver can control the car's character via the Manettino switch on the steering wheel, which offers wet, comfort, sport, race, and ESC off modes. Each mode adjusts throttle response, suspension stiffness, traction control, and gearbox behavior to suit conditions ranging from daily city driving to spirited mountain sprints. Visually, the Ferrari Roma takes a different path from Ferrari's more aggressive mid-engine sports cars. Its styling is fluid, pure, and muscular without being ostentatious. The front end is characterized by a shark nose effect, a body-colored flush grille, and thin, swept-back full LED headlights with integrated linear daytime running lights. The sides flow cleanly from front to rear with minimal ornamentation, using sculpted surfaces and pronounced haunches over the rear wheels. The rear design is perhaps the most radical departure from recent Ferraris. It features narrow horizontal LED taillights, an active spoiler embedded in the rear deck, and 4 circular exhaust tips integrated into a smooth, curved diffuser. The cabin of the Roma is a dramatic reinterpretation of the Ferrari interior. It is driver-focused, but the passenger is given an equal sense of involvement. The cockpit is split by a high center console and wraparound dash that envelopes both occupants. Materials are top-tier, including full-grain leather, Alcantara, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber depending on specification. The Roma features Ferrari's new human-machine interface, HMI, design. The driver gets a 16-inch curved digital instrument cluster, while the central infotainment screen measures 8.4 inches and is vertically oriented, controlling navigation, media, and climate. A separate 8.8-inch touchscreen for the passenger allows them to view performance data, control media, and feel involved in the drive. The controls are futuristic and minimalist. Traditional buttons have largely been replaced with capacitive haptic surfaces, even on the steering wheel, which now includes touch sliders for lights, wipers, and even a touch-sensitive engine start button. While this brings a clean look, it has been a controversial choice among some purists. Still, the Roma's interior is incredibly refined and high-tech without losing the mechanical soul Ferrari is known for. The seating is 2+2, though the rear seats are very limited in space and best suited for small children or luggage. However, the Roma has a decent trunk by sports car standards, offering around 272 liters of cargo space, making it practical for weekend getaways or everyday errands. Comfort features include dual-zone climate control, advanced driver aids like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and optional surround view cameras, which are rare in traditional Ferraris. The Ferrari Roma also supports Ferrari's 7-year maintenance program, meaning all routine services are covered for 7 years regardless of mileage. Its price starts at approximately $220,000, though with bespoke customization options via Ferrari's tailor-made program, owners can spec the car well into the $300,000 plus range. Options include custom exterior colors, unique leather and stitching combinations, carbon fiber upgrades, and high-end audio systems. The Roma has been praised by automotive critics for its blend of beauty, comfort, and performance. It appeals to a new generation of Ferrari buyers, those who want a usable, elegant, and understated car that still delivers the thrill of driving a Ferrari. It's quieter and more relaxed than models like the F8 Tributo or 296 GTB, but no less special when pushed to its limits. Ultimately, the Ferrari Roma redefines what a modern Grand Tourer can be: sensual, usable, luxurious, and unmistakably Ferrari. Subscribe my channel for more amazing videos.